and sisters, today I want to come and read for you about the two fasting. Two fasting is the Isaiah chapter 58 talk about. I want to read their K and the Quran language and the English language. But I tell you about this are not good reading. But my friends, my brother, I think that the God bless you, the God will with you all the time. Okay, today I want to read for you something important. Here is the true fasting. The fasting is, the very important thing in your life. Because Jesus talked about that when you want to take out the demon, the first thing is you fasting. Fasting, later then you can take out the demon. Because the evil spirit is very stronger. The evil spirit is very stronger. This meaning about the use of fasting. Here is the true fasting. Isaiah chapter 58 talk about shout it louder. Do not hold back. Raise your voice like a trumpet. Declare to my people their rebellion, and to the house of Jacob their sin. Away ne mita to me love Pagderma ta Pagderma Dile ta do ta away ne mitala a ridulu Bowen Naya Tilparo. Pay naked to Darapua love Manutimile. Go taller Naglu Durgi. Ta Lord Dargi to turn a glue dick with thought ne. Do siba teba Japagamulo atakama. Do Yuaku Apuahi Puller atadeba. Tiki Tera. Nadabalu Salodaba do not hold back. Pero David Sikolo second. For day after day, they seek me out. They seem eager to know my will. Petermana aweti. Basado aweti huya tani batani. Do bathala tatinya kle. Deep waklu. Deep watekalula amata totalo. Do tele the daba agasa ata ata sinyo ba to nero. He wele ta sinyo toloya. Do munla wele ta tubu ata su shwa onero. Weather pani munla ta le ta tubu ta su shwa onero. Bagdad as if they was a nation that does what is right and has not forsaken the commands of his God. They ask me for just decision and see eager for God to come near them. Away, this is meaning about you should think carefully. Another thing is you should think about here. Why have we fast? They say, and you have not seen it. Why have we humbled ourselves and you have not noted? Okay. Yes, on the day of your fasting, you do as your please and explode all your worker. Waiting bakropatu patala bitamubulo. Baduta ota o do natatibani pamana mapo pata. Pagden mala paduta ota o pasa yuada tibani. Kera la pamana mapo pata lo. Don at the thing yaba ne me abamani le. Quaqua learn a do ta o amutini ne 13 taba thusa do mersu pama thu tama kelelo. Do pay ni pakropatu patale patamu pulo. Lebata sukumo puni pakamadile. Over glamu. Okay. Away ni pakle kwa pay ni 4. Your fasting ends in quarreling and stuff and in striking each other with wicked fist. You cannot fast as you do today and expel your vice to be harsh on high. Away ne katuta do pala taita klutir pala bitamu pusikolo. Kwa leta gilu bolu do tailu sukilu ogani tudu ta o ta ilu sukilu. Okay, ta pena gilu bolu ogani tudu ta o dollar tu ta le ta asu ku ogani lo tu tudu ta o le mumasatani le tu kaduna kadena hu tugulu ta thoba tugunduna hu tugulu ta thoba David dinner now David dile is this the kind of fast I have chosen Pagdana mala tadu ta o when me tadu ta o le yahuto Okay, you do as you please. Pain a table only a day for a man who humble himself. Pagdana mala pain katuta pala mutanila puakamana mapota sikoa. Ama nama pota mutani himself not Saraway. Is it only for boring ones had lies a read, and for lying on sackcloth and us. Away ni mita mata le patamu pu le muntiniyailo. Is that why you call a fast a day acceptable to the Lord? Medido paka sulo akodi se akamotu do di tu akadalo te atakinya do pasala apolani sikwa neka kutane tamile taduta ota o do mutanile abaywa ta sikwa pagdana papobase okay Pako Bathurota Paduta Tala Pakilo Sokilo Tha Tamiva Pakegilu Molu Patha what Tamiva Tala Paduta Tane Pakabami Puati Pala Magiro Patubata. Is not this the kind of fasting I have chosen? Awaited to me le year. Pagdana tadu ta la abajata me okay to loose the chain of injustice and untie the cords of the yoke to set the opposite free and break every yoke. Paine pathinyala Padu ta o pamata beta mani to meet diniva. Pay table tadu ta all abayata me ta hilogui ta a plea ta big we ta we her ta bi kui we ta we he ba we da yu da mi he ni ba bi lo kui lo ba master ba bi kui do ta ma tu play pwa ba ta ma o do ta ma ka kui no yu bu ku bu de te me ba ta ma ka kui no yu bu ku bu de te me ba te ba de ke mimi dini ro pekele kwa lo nogi nui ketuta ro pa lo muniti bile pay 7 talk about is it not to share your food with the hungry, okay, and to provide the poor wanderers with shelter. When you see the naked, to clothe him, and not to turn away from your own flesh and blood. Away ni mitala tadu ta ta wikulo. Pay ni tevada me tano he no me tano he nakula but ta we atago. Dota heso papa poya polo apwa bata hotokos ne su ne hipune teme ba du ne tipwa obesido la na kadu kudutu o dollar na tapa ta deba nata don na bonati dane teme ba dan na pa ta dera nata na bonati dane teme ba Nui khoni tebra dile then your light will break forth like the draw and your healing will quickly appear. Then your righteousness will go before you, and the glories of the Lord will be your rear guard. Away ni pekrupatu pasala bertamu pusikolo. Pay ni teba pala meniti mile. Noi ko tebera dilo. Dunu desu nekakoto. Dunu desu takapo kapo di musito atudo. Nata blagini ka uta clear tunu de su nata tota lo kelele ne menya nata tota lo ne kelele ne menya do jua ala kapo ke kele ne ke hele ne lo kilo nata tota lo ne ka ba lele ne menya wi ma ra jua ala kapo ne kele ne lo ki te wete ne then you will call, and the Lord will answer. You will cry for help, and he will say, Here's I am I. If you do away with the yoke of oppression, with the pointing fingers and miraculous talk. Away ne pakrapatu patala patamu pusikolo. No queen katura pala patamu puni delo. Dunu the su nakakoto. Do yuaka sisada. Nakahita. Do kasiwe kwa yalo. Nami thukwi no yobulu nakla. Da yu to sumu do katu ora do. Away. Okay. Naka katu sura do. Nami ta upala ta weta do. Mami sa pwala aba ataba naba podo netaka po tolo takikla do netaki kamata de mutu tuni do Yuakasana Tatihodra. Yuakasana Tatiholo. Away ni Mitaba Treba Hado, Powena Yatir Palo. 10. And if you spend yourself in behalf of the hungry and satisfy the need of the oppressed, then your light will rage in the darkness, and your night will become like the noonday. 11 talk about here. The Lord will guide you always. He will satisfy your needs in a sun, scorched land, and will strengthen your front. You will be like a well-watered garden, like a spring those water never fill. When it patu patala patamu pulo, the sitani katuda pala de lo. Debra de lo. Donaka mamina talo ta alohi pudo kamasuton nahinakwe donakama tadi tatalo basotu dot di titopo tapu le a titolo thiba. Atuni lo TikTok put a title of the punelo dera. The better seeking your people will rebuild the ancient ruin and will raise up the HO foundations. You will be called repair a broken wall. Restore all streets with dwelling. Do pola he toler narapaka magita alo utayitapa neka magita kwati tapa akwati tapa bakara yua asudo taka kunale wa magita beplu wa magi klu kapuditu waka ukasulo. If you keep your feet from breaking the Sabbath, lo winitnine namihakwe nakola natamaba nathadane. Lam yamuni sosi apu. Devera dine. And from doing as you please on my holy day. Don't make good talk. Ubwinile tatupithanyo. You are ta sosileta you law. If you call the Sabbath a daylight and the Lord holy day honorable. When it begin that your law. And if you honor it by not going your own ways, okay? Dot the poba necleda ne. Okay, the poba necleda ne. Dot the tineba neta mamudane. Pagda patalele pagcha cleva patine pacleva copuba. Okay, paclele casayua clay erotiva. We going God will. Okay, we're not going our will, okay? Here is and not doing as you please or speaking idle words. Pero penamado Tekatuba Natakatuda netado Neme malakapo odo. Neme malakapo. Then you will find your joy in the Lord. Devada Payne, Nakatu with Anolo Yuabu, Nakatine Tatu with Anolo Yuabu, Monadro. Then you will find your joy in the Lord. Nakatine Tatu with Anolo Yuabu. Okay. Your payro, and I will cause you to ride on the height of the land. Đó bởi thế mà phê rồi đó đòn ye cái du na lơ ta a lot to lơ ho ku club ho ku land sit down and pen high lơ ta ho ku land ta lo ta klebu me pen lơ ho ku club ho ku de ve and to fast on the inheritance of your father Jacob, the mouth of the Lord has spoken. Đó phê này treo ra là đó yagadu o na lơ yagadu o na lơ na pa soyaku atane tane lo agidi yua ataku katu tane lo. Fasting is not easily, my friends, my brother and sister. Ta dua ta ne tamil ta nyo ka kile pogo ba. But me mara to total lovani, but do a ta oh a blue over. But me le me ma potato malo paka do a ta oh video pacora tailor so kilo than me ta do a ta not it me va. You are no bara pakle a clay. You are no pakle a clay to mill up a clay with a poor when it batinya dineto. But me who tell all up a clay with a pony, Jamila, but do or down a cable get put over. Okay, we want to go our way. We using, we fasting. This is a nothing. This is meaningless. We have to follow the God way, and then we fasting. We call in He God way here. Okay, don't think about your way. Go to the God way, my friends, my brother and sister. Remember, in your life, don't think about you want to do this one, you want to do this one. No way. Okay. Never sukumo ye ero mata way you can do kero you can makero. Basa na kiro, you are a ticket to power in uwelo. You are clear kapu uwelo. Do me look a hooter but clero. Pamikuro kasayani, you are to do kanapa. Okay. One we choosing our way, we call God. God never listened to us. Remember, my friends, my brother and sister, in your lifetime, do God way, not doing your way. Thank you so much. God bless you all, my friends, my brother and sister. God bless you and your families, your household. Bye-bye. See you next time.